Shalom, beloved. How y'all doing? I'm Apostle Dr. Pamela Tavilla. I'm just doing a little calendar check. Just a quick reminder, mark your calendars, please, if you haven't already. This coming Friday, June 21st, I will be doing a workshop. Harvey Wheeler Community Center, 1276 Main Street, West Concord, Massachusetts. We will be meeting there from 7:30 to 9 p.m. I'm going to be doing a teaching on entering the Lord's rest, the Sabbath. I will have the elements and I will give explanation and teaching, and we will all partake. That's right, we will all be participating in the elements of the Sabbath rest, following with scripture, meditation, and soft, quiet music to help us truly know how to step into the Sabbath rest. That's why the Sabbath was created, for us to rest. The Lord did that. 6 days of creation He worked, and on the seventh day He rested. That's our example. We are to rest on the Sabbath. So I'll be teaching on entering that rest again, June 21st, 7:30 to 9 p.m. at the Harvey Wheeler Community Center, 1276 Main Street, West Concord, Massachusetts. So have a great week. Be blessed. Be a blessing. Don't forget to bless the one who gave it to you. I look forward to seeing familiar faces and new acquaintances then. Feel free to invite family and friends. God bless you all, and shalom.